Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a very delicious and interesting broccoli recipe, which is broccoli tikka or tandoori broccoli but without using oven. This broccoli tikka recipe is loaded with mild, spicy and smoky flavors, which I am sure you're going to love it. So friends, let's get started with this yummy and delicious broccoli tikka recipe. So to make broccoli tikkas, I have taken one broccoli cut into medium florets like this, and now I'm going to blanch them in boiling water. For that, I have already heated sufficient water in a saucepan, and as the water starts to boil, I will add half teaspoon of salt and then drop the broccoli florets into the boiling water. Whenever I cook cauliflower or broccoli, I always blanch them in boiling water for about 1 minute. In this way, we can get rid of any insects that might infest in them, as well as of any chemicals and pesticides that are sprayed on the vegetables. And after about a minute, I will turn the flame off, drain the water and then rinse the broccoli florets with cold water. And now time to prepare the batter to make broccoli tikkas. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 2 tablespoons of thick curd or dahi. Then goes 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of besan or gram flour. This will help to bind the marination together. Then goes 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala powder, half teaspoon of salt or as per taste, the juice of half a lemon, and finally few drops of mustard oil. Now mix all the ingredients so that they are well combined, and our batter to make broccoli tikkas is ready. Now add the blanched broccoli florets into the prepared batter and very gently we need to coat the batter well with the broccoli florets from all the sides. And we will let them rest for at least half an hour. So it's almost half an hour and now time to make broccoli tikkas. I'm using this kind of wooden skewers to grill them. Take a skewer and pierce the broccoli florets through it in this way. You can arrange 3 to 4 broccoli florets in one skewer, and in this way I will arrange the remaining broccoli florets as well. So arranging of the broccoli florets is done, and now time to grill them. For that, heat a grill pan and drizzle few drops of oil into it along with a small cube of butter. Let the butter melt completely. Now brush the butter on all the sides of the grill pan, and when the pan is hot enough, place the marinated broccoli florets arranged in the skewers. Keep the flame on medium. After about 1 minute, flip the skewers. Keep on flipping the skewers after every 1 minute so that all the sides of the broccoli florets are grilled properly and are cooked well. So by now the broccoli florets are grilled well from both the sides, and now in order to give a smoky flavor, I'm going to roast them by placing a grill rack on gas stove fire. Rub little butter on the broccoli florets in between and keep on flipping them quickly, as we don't want to burn them fully. Just few burn marks will impart a nice smoky flavor to our broccoli tikkas. And our broccoli tikkas are ready now, infused with a nice smoky flavor. So I will take them off and arrange them in a serving plate. And here goes our homemade broccoli tikkas or tandoori broccoli, grilled to perfection and infused with a nice smoky flavor which will taste just like restaurant style. Also, this is a very yummy and healthy veg starter recipe, good for any parties or celebrations. I'll garnish with few onion slices and lemon wedges and serve with a green chutney. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious broccoli tikka recipe at home. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.